In this video, I'm going to go ahead and show you how you can download and install Zoom. For more tutorials, make sure you subscribe, and let's get right into it. So guys, this is a super simple thing to do. The first thing you want to do is open up the browser of your choice, and what you need to do is just simply put in Zoom download, and then once you've put in that, you need to search it and click on the top search result, which is this one here, so zoom.us/download. Click on that, and then what it will do is it will bring you to this page here. And once you're on this page, you want to go ahead and download the top one because there's a couple of downloads you can download from this website. So the one you need is the one right here at the top. And then once you've done that, as you can see, Zoom Installer is now downloading in the bottom left hand corner. So once it's downloaded, go ahead, click on it, and then it will open up this little pop-up. And as you can see, the Zoom Installer is now going through its process and installing Zoom on my PC. And I'll show you what to do once you have gone ahead and got it installed on your device. And as you can see now, Zoom has now been installed on my PC. All you need to do is click on join a meeting, or obviously sign in if you haven't signed in already. And it's just that simple, guys. If this video did help you out, please don't leave a like, comment, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you in the next one.